What's going on, guys? Today's unboxing, we're going to have a full-blown review, very short, but we're going to have to test them out for a little bit before we give you a full-blown review. These are the brand new Nico's Snapchat spectacles. Let's go ahead and see what's in the box. I'm going to talk about them a little bit and what's new about the app on Snapchat. Exporting is the reason why I even bought these. I'm actually not even going to use these on Snapchat. I'm actually going to be using these for Instagram stories and my YouTube videos, kind of like a POV type GoPro. That's the only reason I bought them, and not to mention they also look very cool, especially the new Nikos, and they just have a new style for the women's as well. The original style I wasn't a big fan of. The girls look pretty good in them, the guys look pretty terrible to be honest with you, but the Nikos is stepping it up with a lot better frame. Let me go ahead and show you what we got. So I ordered these on Snapchat's website. After tax, unfortunately, they bumped it up to about $215 and change. That's a lot of money for sunglasses, for sure. But because I am a YouTuber, because I do a lot of social media, this is worth it. If I'm just going to be playing around with an app and not really making money off of it, then it's kind of, to be honest with you, if you had a few extra bucks, sure, why not? But I put my cameras to work for me. It's a business expense. The reason I even got these, Snapchat lets you export in widescreen and a couple other different formats. It will save onto your camera roll. You actually do have to have Snapchat. I will actually have to download it for the first time to be able to use this, film with it, get it to my phone, export it out to my camera roll, and then use it for Instagram stories, my YouTube channel, etc. Sounds like a lot, but it's really easy. Stay tuned for, again, my full review about that one. But again, I will not be using this for Snapchat, just for exporting purposes. Let's see what we got. I will link their website in the description box below. If they sell on Amazon, I'll go ahead and link that, but I didn't see the Nikos or the new models on Amazon yet, so I'll go ahead and link their website below. It's free shipping. I live in Southern California. I think they shipped out of California. I ordered them and I got them the next day. All right, so let's see what we got here. We got a little photo there, regular black box, opening on up to some nice little tissue paper here, and just an empty box after that. I will talk about the charging case. Unfortunately, with the Nikos and the new women's model, I don't have that name off the top of my head. The rechargeable case is not compatible, unfortunately. That's a big bummer. You will have to hook up, unless they come out with another case, you will have to charge this instead of putting it in the case to charge. That's definitely a bummer, but nice packaging though. Spectacles right there. Let's go ahead and open this on up. And if you're not thrilled with them, Snapchat offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. These come with a nice leather pouch. Very nice, actually. Go ahead and open them on up. We have a little magnetic closure there. Right here we have what looks to be our instruction manual and our charging cable. And here are the glasses right here, looking drop dead fantastic. Again, just a normal case right there. Little tissue paper for lining. Let's go ahead and get that out of the way and take these bad boys for a little spin here. We got the camera right up here. That's going to be the right corner. And then we have this area here that has a little flashing circle that goes around. Overall, it's a nice pair of sunglasses for sure. They feel pretty good. They definitely don't feel like a pair of Ray-Bans. They feel like a thicker duty, maybe Gucci glasses or Louis Vuitton, but they don't have spring-loaded hinges or anything like that. We have spectacles on the inside, straight across frames there. And then we have designed by Snap Inc. on that side. And again, they are not spring-loaded, so do not try to spring-load them or you'll break them. Folding up real nice there. Nothing on this outer side, nothing on that outer side, nothing on the bottom, and they are polarized, which is awesome as well. Up on top, looks very nice here. We have, of course, our button right here, and then I believe our battery is in here, and it actually looks like there's a small little... There's actually very tiny 4 holes right where my thumb is, if the camera can pick that up. Let's check out this guy here. We got a nice little charging cable there, tip to tip. That's going to be your typical Samsung cord length, iPhone cord length. I'm pretty sure that's about 3 feet or so. Magnetic on that side, USB on this side. And that is corded braided, meaning that's going to be very durable. And how you charge that is underneath the left side here, if they're facing that direction. And you just latch that on just like that. And again, it's a bummer. They do not have a rechargeable case, and your original rechargeable case does not work with the Nicos. It says that on the website. And if you are curious, while it is charging, I have it right in the back here, and the light lights up, as you can see the different bars there, and then it kind of just fades in, fades out while it is charging. In here, we have directions here, all that fun stuff to link it up. And then we have a cleaning cloth right here, black cleaning cloth. And that looks to be it right there. And then, of course, all our fine print in many different languages. I'll let you guys get on into that. Obviously, you have to pair it up to Snapchat to start taking any photographs and all that stuff. So I'll look through the instruction manual. All right, connecting them was a breeze. Very, very fast, actually. You go ahead and double tap the side right here, and it will go ahead and tell you the battery life of the spectacles. There you go. It's a little sensitive. It worked for me the very first time, but I think you have to kind of... This angle, at least, it's taken me a few different times. There you go. That worked the first time that time. Let's try that again. Okay. So it's just a little bit of a slow roll. So you got to hit it 1, 2. 1, 2. And then it go ahead and work right there. All right, real nice. Kind of hard for the camera to pick that up, but a couple of the lines were missing, so we're probably 95% or so shipped. You push it one time to take a 10-second video, and this will happen here, and it will go on for 10 seconds, and then it stops. You hold it down for photo, and it takes a photo with the LED light like that, or you hit it once, and then hit it again, and now you're gonna be going 30 seconds. Obviously, I'm not gonna hold you guys watching a light for 30 seconds, but this is going to transpire the whole 30 seconds. But when you go to look at it in your snaps and export it, it's actually going to be 3 different 10-second clips. So just know if you're trying to do a 30-second Insta story, you're actually going to have to do a slight bit of editing if you want it above 10 seconds. Real simple if you know how to do that. Overall, I think they look absolutely fantastic, especially for my type of face. I love the square frames. I can't leave you without showing you some test footage. So let me go ahead and show that to you now. All right, guys, while I'm editing this video, I just want to show you one thing really quickly here, is that when you do export it in widescreen, you have a choice between a circle with a white background, circle with a black background, square, or widescreen. But unfortunately, with widescreen, it still comes out with a little black edge. Let me show you here in just a second. As we can see here, it cuts off the very edge here. So if you're trying to use these for YouTube, unfortunately, that's the widescreen they give you, which is a bummer. But there's a hack how to do this. I saw another YouTuber using V2, the original ones, not the Nicos. And I'm like, this is the reason why I even bought them. Anyway, I'm using Sony Vegas Pro. You guys can do this in Premiere as well. Probably some simple editing software. You right click, you go down to properties, and what we want to do is we want to unclick maintain aspect ratio, and then we hit OK, and then it will become just slightly a little wider, but not bad at all. It's almost like a GoPro type footage. So let's go ahead and play that real quick. Here's an example of golden hour if you were using them in your car, talking, vlogging, etc. As you can see right here. Here's an example of golden hour if you were using them in your car, talking, vlogging, etc. As you can see right here. In the last video, it was a Samsung S8 Plus's audio. So now we're doing, there's some people, if you were kind of like trying to get a little hidden camera going there, you know what I'm saying? But obviously you're not too hidden with this right up here. We're looking really good though. We're gonna see what the footage looks like. Yo, testing out the low light feature. I think do we get audio on this too? That would be super sweet. I'm pretty sure we do. right, here's a nighttime shot of low light. Let me roll up my window. If you were driving at night, you're probably not going to be wearing sunglasses at night, but just in case you were, here's what it looks like if you were driving, vlogging at nighttime. We'll see how the low light turns out. Something I do want to show you that I don't think the camera picked up yesterday, but now it is a little bit more daylight. Kind of a little hard to tell, but right on the interior is clear, almost tortoise shell looking like with black. And then of course the outside is completely black. So the inside is a little bit nice and tortoise shell on both sides. You can see the frames inside. I also want to mention that they are water resistant. People are reporting that they're actually swimming with them in a pool in the shallow end and nothing is happening to them, so they can survive a pool party, barbecue getting splashed on. Again, guys, stay tuned for my full review, but that's just letting you know my first impressions. That almost scared me away, and I was gonna return them for sure, because I'm gonna be using these for YouTube. Well, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for my full review, what I think about them, what I think about the HD footage, what I think of the other options, exporting it, how I use it for Instagram, how easy is it for me to use it for Instagram. Am I gonna keep them? Am I gonna return them? Stay tuned for that video very, very soon. Hit that thumbs up button if it has helped you, and subscribe to the channel because I always got fresh videos coming out. And of course, stay tuned. I'll see you guys on the next review. My name's Chris, and look in that description box below for these links. Take care. Bye-bye.